Okay, our goal here is to view our Greenwood scene in Mozilla Spoke. So I already opened our scene. Also, I just deleted the furniture inside the building just to reduce the file size. Okay, now we will export 3D model, export as Colada. You can see I already exported it once, but anyhow I'll do it again. Okay, in this folder, export. Before exporting, make sure the export texture map is selected, and now export. So the export is complete. Now let's go to Blender. I'm using the latest version 2.82. File, import Colada file. Let's navigate to the folder and select and import Colada. Okay, the scene is imported. Okay, let's see the textures are here or not. Yeah, see, the textures are here also, and also we'll get rid of this point. So A to select all the objects and Alt P, clear parent and keep transformation. Now right click and set origin to center of mass surface. Okay. Also we can see there are some extra geometries here. We'll delete them. Go to the top view, select everything and press Ctrl and make a selection around the building. Okay. And okay. Also you can see the scene is below the Z axis, the 0 axis of Z. So we select A to select everything and G to grab and Z, press Z to lock on Z axis. Okay, let's see. Okay, G, Z. Okay. Also, grab it and place it in the middle. Okay. This is just to ensure a smooth navigation when we export it to Spoke. Okay, now exported GLTF folder, make a new folder and export. Okay, the export is complete. Now we'll open the server. So we'll create a new empty project in Spoke. Also here in my assets, we'll upload this upload and upload this file, GLTF file. Okay. Okay, so I tried Sketchfab and Google Poly, but it didn't work properly. It showed some error. That's why I came back to this method. I think this process will this process will be easier to understand than uploading it to a sketch file. Okay, the upload is complete. See, our scene is here. Just now drag and drop, and it will work. Okay, the scene is loaded. Also, we can delete this. Okay, see, now you can add lights and other elements as you see fit. And publish. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.